All news about corona is not bad news. How about some good news? 1. China has closed down its last coronavirus hospital. Not enough new cases to support them. 2. Doctors in India have been successful in treating coronavirus. Combination of drugs used, lopinavir, ritonavir, oseltamivir along with chloroquine. They are going to suggest same medicine, globally. 3. Researchers of the Erasmus Medical Center claim to have found an antibody against coronavirus. 4. A 103-year-old Chinese grandmother has made a full recovery from COVID-19 after being treated for 6 days in Wuhan, China. 5. Apple reopens all 42 China stores. 6. Cleveland Clinic developed a COVID-19 test that gives results in hours, not days. 7. Good news from South Korea, where the number of new cases is declining. 8. Italy is hit hard, experts say, only because they have the oldest population in Europe. 9. Scientists in Israel likely to announce the development of a coronavirus vaccine. 10. In Kenya, no one has died of coronavirus infection. 11. 3 Maryland coronavirus patients fully recovered, able to return to everyday life. 12. A network of Canadian scientists are making excellent progress in COVID-19 research. 13. A San Diego biotech company is developing a COVID-19 vaccine in collaboration with Duke University and National University of Singapore. 14. Tulsa County's first positive COVID-19 case has recovered. This individual has had 2 negative tests, which is the indicator of recovery. 16. All 7 patients who were getting treated for coronavirus at Safdarjung Hospital in New Delhi have recovered. 16. Plasma from newly recovered patients from COVID-19 can treat others infected by COVID-19. So it's not all bad news.